Today's video, I'm going to teach you iOS 26 settings you need to turn off now. Let's start with the flashy new liquid glass transparency theme. It looks great, but those refractive effects and dynamic lighting demand a lot from your GPU and CPU, especially on Pro models where the screen can push higher refresh rates. To dial back the strain without losing the vibe, go to Settings, then Display Brightness, tap Liquid Glass, and select Tinted. This increases opacity, reduces processing overhead, and helps battery and thermals immediately. Next, make sure adaptive power mode isn't throttling your device when you need full performance. If you've noticed slowdowns during gaming or video editing, head to Settings, Battery, Power Mode, and tap Adaptive Power. Turning it off keeps your device from dialing back speed just to stay cool, which is useful when performance is your priority. Now let's save battery by reducing background activity. Mail push constantly pings servers for new messages, which adds up. Go to Settings, Apps, Mail, Mail Accounts, then Fetch New Data, and turn off push. Your email will still update, but on a schedule or when you open the app, cutting down on background drain. Clean energy charging is well-intentioned, but it works by learning your usage and location patterns to time charging. If you prefer straightforward charging without that data modeling, go to Settings, Battery, Charging, and toggle off Clean Energy Charging. For privacy, shut down cross-app tracking requests. Go to Settings, Privacy Security, then Tracking, and turn off Allow apps to request to track. This stops apps from asking to follow your activity across other apps and websites. While you're there, scroll to the bottom for Apple advertising and turn off personalized ads. That prevents your browsing and App Store activity from being used to tailor ads. Another privacy boost is controlling precise location. Many apps only need your general area. Go to Settings, Privacy Security, Location Services, pick the apps you don't need exact positioning for, and toggle off precise location. Keep it on for navigation or delivery apps where accuracy matters. For a small but useful annoyance fix, stop automatic CarPlay screenshots. Go to Settings, General, Screen Capture, and turn off CarPlay screenshots to avoid duplicates every time you take a screenshot. If you care about image quality, open Settings, Camera, and turn off Prioritize Faster Shooting. This lets your iPhone spend a bit more time processing for better photos. Finally, reduce battery usage by disabling keyboard sounds and haptics. Go to Settings, Sounds Haptics, tap Keyboard Feedback, and turn off sound and haptic. That's it. Make these changes for better performance, battery life, and privacy. Thanks for watching.